teachers! Looking for a unique and engaging learning experience for your students? Then join us on the Great Canadian Farm Tour. Come along as we learn about Canada's exciting agriculture and food story. Connect and interact virtually with real farmers and experience what it's like on farms across Canada. This extraordinary learning opportunity will inspire your students, ignite their curiosity, and teach them about the important role agriculture plays in their lives every day. It's the Great Canadian Farm Tour. Sign your class up today at aitc-canada.ca. Proudly presented by Agriculture in the Classroom Canada.